So let's make a notebook that isn't one that you've purchased or made yourself. Let's create a notebook from the templates that come in with your reMarkable device. You basically, from your home screen or your desktop, whatever you're calling it, you click on New Notebook. You need to name it and you need to select a template. So we're going to leave it at Notebook 7. We're going to call it that. You can also decide when you've finished in this notebook, do you want to see the cover page or do you want to see the last page you visited? Now, I tend to like seeing the first page, so that's what I'm going to pick. And now I'm going to have a look at all of the, now this is all of them. If we want to go creative, we can look at these shapes that they've got. If we want to go for grids, if you need a grid, you can look here. If you want to organise your life, there's a few of those. And if you want lines, if you like to write on lines, then you've got some options. Now you can also go landscape and go lines. You can go to the life planners, the grids and the creative. And someone was asking about a dated planner that comes in the R2. There are none. What comes in here is, if I create this notebook, it's going to be landscape. It's not dated and set up with hyperlinks, as you can see. Sorry, shadows. It's just a template. So if we cross out of that, that's basically how you do it. But let me just do that again. Notebook, sometimes call it that. We're going to go first page. We're going to have a look and we are going to go creative, maybe not all. Let's open up a storyboard. Let's create a storyboard. And there it is. That's the reMarkable storyboard template. And you can have your little fun writing here. And of course, you know about you can pick your pen. I love the calligraphy one for this, and I like, let's go thick so you can see what's going on. We can go writing in black, and then you can, write in grey. And then let us go here for a second. Let me show you something. Let's just say we had a big swish of something. Now we're going to write in white. And you can see that it writes in white. That's great if you've got a dark mode. Then you can have fun with all the, I do love dark mode, it's great. So that's, let's just hop out of that. If we can press it. That's very simply, and then of course, until you move them into another folder, the documents that we've just created show up here, and you can see the device is syncing down the bottom here. I don't want these in here, so again, this is how we delete. We press and hold. Options come up, we move to trash. Done. We press and hold. Sometimes it doesn't. Options come up that you can do. So you can do all sorts of things here. We're going to move to trash. Let me press that again. Done. And then you're all organised and you've, put everything straight. So that is how you create a template that reMarkable have provided into a notebook.